Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a potato pizza. Okay, we're going to start with sliced potato. I microwaved it for 10 minutes. And you're supposed to put this on a pizza pan, which I can't seem to find mine, so this will do. So I spray this. And I'm going to place the potatoes on the bottom. So we have that. If it's round, it's just supposed to fill a round pan. So this is rectangular, so this will do. So let's set that aside. So I preheated the oven to 400. So a third pound of hamburger. We're going to fry that in the pan. So we're going to brown this so it's no longer pink. There's a little grease, so I think I'm going to dump that little bit of grease on. That's pretty fried, so I'm going to add a cheddar cheese. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk. It's nice and creamy. It was kind of good. Maybe the next time around, I think I would add a little bit more hamburger. Okay, so I'm going to take, this is our potatoes. I'm going to dump this all over the potatoes. Topping for our pizza. Looks like. Okay, so we have topped it on the potatoes. Now we're going to take our tomato sauce. We're going to put that on there. Spin it around a little bit. Does that look delicious? Yummy, yum, yum. Okay. And now we're going to sprinkle cheese on it. And in the oven it'll go at 400. It's a nice, simple thing to make for dinner. Isn't it delicious? Okay, so now we're going to bake it in the oven at 400. Okay, let's give it a try. This is so good. It's delicious. All you need to do is add a salad and you got a full meal, a full dinner. That is so good.